are we going?
Disney World.
Awesome.
We are going to Disney World. For Dad's birthday. Yeah.
For this guy's birthday.
Day. Oh boy.
We went to Disneyland for Dad's Father's Day.
We did. And now we're going to Disney
We always
World.
go to Disneyland or Disney World for Dad's Day.
I forgot about that. We did go on Father's Day.
So we get specialty parking with our car. We get to go through the handicap area. And
Look at the cones.
the
This thing
cones.
is having
Let's see.
light. The new update shows all of the cones. That is so
Oh,
funny.
those so
Look at
cool.
the Mickey. It's like a Mickey pond.
Aww. We'll have to go find that water. But we get to park like right in the front since we got this cool blue tag.
It's like any noisy skis.
Just follow the blue line. But now we get like front row parking. And we're already having fun because everybody's just making jokes about Mickey and Minnie and saying silly
Earlier,
things. And
this guy said he doesn't care if it's cash or credit. And
EV parking.
so he
Is it
said that
It's right there. I see it.
Mickey,
EV parking.
he doesn't care which one, but he said that Minnie, she only likes cash.
right?
Yeah.
All right, Disney ready. I'm gonna spur the moment for my birthday.
I know, I was like, hey, do you want to go to Disney World?
Yeah, so I was like, okay. So like Molly said, we did Disney when it was Father's Day. Now we're doing Disney when it's my birthday. And I was like, yeah, we'll go have a little fun today. That'd be fun, right?
Yeah.
Fun for the whole family. So nice having an electric car because you can just plug in. Everyone's charging up their electric cars.
There's only 5 spots in this entire parking
That
lot
is
in
crazy.
Magic Kingdom.
And we got one of them. If ChargePoint is watching this, I had to wrap this around here because if not, it'll just like pull on your car. Like this one doesn't have one. Well, he got the good spot, but like I had to make it work. If you guys are new here, please subscribe. It really helps us out a lot. Also, give this video a huge thumbs up and join the family today by subscribing. Also, hit the bell little icon so you'll be notified on every single new video. But please subscribe for my birthday. That'd be a good birthday gift.
Yeah.
Right? Subscribe. So, all right. Hope you enjoy the day. A lot of B-roll, a lot of fun, a lot of smiles. Here we go.
Sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go.
I literally forgot how big this castle was.
Like, it's huge compared to Disneyland, but
Huge.
I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world.
Oh, I am so dizzy. I can't be doing these spinning rides.
I can.
Can't be doing all that. Where'd Willow go? Peekaboo! Hey, this is what I remember as a child coming here. I think I was like Lily's age.
I would think so. Those are the little cute little pictures you have with your family.
Yeah, this is what I remember coming on. And like at night it was all lit up and I was like, I want to ride that. Now I'm old enough to do it by myself. Oh yeah.
Now you get to do it with your children.
I know, it's so exciting.
Wanna climb on top of a hill and throw it all away, away. Take me far away before my mind spins off and I am all derailed, derailed. Just drive all the way to the rainbow's end. Just drive.
I was more or less like bumper cars, but the steering was all like, this thing's in alignment. Come on. right, that guy made it fun. He loves his job, don't he?
Yes, he does. Made so many jokes. I'm like,
Yeah.
oh, that's so funny.
It's your time to shine.
Shining into the light.
All right, let's go. What else can we get into?
Now we're going to park.
The park.
Yeah, like
This is one large park.
He wants to go to...
Is it like a Tarzan still? We can do that.
Willow keeps gasping. She's like, oh, look at that. Look at
She's not like a little baby now, so she like understands it a little more. Hey, you have to go to Disney. Well, I guess
Oh, look at her.
twice. Like what?
I knocked it off.
Uh-oh.
So.
Uh-oh, blowout. Let's just sell everything we own and build one of these. What do you think?
Oh, these steps.
But I mean, I would have a tree evader though, you know what I mean?
I'm going to put a baby on your back. Find these steps.
You having a good time? I'm ready to get some Dole Whip. That's what I want. Some Dole Whip. The magic carpet. The magic carpet. Whoop. All right, so Jackson and I are going to go ride some magic carpets where the girls went potty. So it said there's a 20-minute wait, but literally there's like no wait. So here we go. You ready to fly? Oh, we got the Dole Whips. Oh yeah. Should have got the raspberry. Raspberry worth that. Try it. Oh yeah. Those yummy snacks. Is that good? Lily's gonna get ice cream. We chose
Dole Whip.
Dole Whip. Lily will get ice cream in a little bit.
You got something different.
I got raspberry and pineapple. It's actually really good. Is it yummy? Delicioso. Hello, boy. Is that yummy? You want some Dole Whip? Great job. Taking a Dole Whip break. Dole Whip break. Is it like a wafer?
Yeah.
Can I try your wafer? Can I try some?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Your raspberry one is yummy.
That's pretty good. Is that yummy? Is that yummy? Hey, little Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse. Okay, some of my top rides from Disneyland was Indiana Jones and the Haunted Mansion, so not two rides together, but this is going to be, remember that ride? And it had like the, it's like 3D effects and the ghosts and stuff. You have ice cream all over your mouth. Look at that. That means it's good. So you've got the Haunted Mansion there. Rapunzel's little house is there. Remember when she threw her shoe off the, remember when you threw your shoe off the boat? I had to go and chase it. I'm gonna leave the last Disney vlog up here. You gotta go watch it. We lost her shoe. We had to go find her shoe. It was crazy. Remember that? Are you finally ready to get your Mickey pretzel?
My pretzel. I've been searching for this thing
For like,
around the entire park today.
well, and last time.
Yeah. You told me, Jaren told me, oh, we can go get a pretzel somewhere else. And I was like, no, it's a Mickey pretzel. Hi, how you doing?
I thought it was just a normal pretzel, but no, it's an actual Mickey pretzel. So Jackson got popcorn, Lily got ice cream, I'm gonna get a churro, Mom's gonna get a pretzel. It's gonna be a good end to a good birthday vlog.
A good birthday for you.
Good birthday. I get my birthday churro served with chocolate dipper. Never had that. We'll try it. Well, he already ate his ear. I was gonna. My churro's got like Christmas sprinkles.
Everything I dreamed.
Is it everything? It's like they only salted half of his face.
Just sprinkle a little. Oh, nice.
All right, guys. This is where I'm going to end the vlog right here. But I'm also going to end it with an end montage of all the Christmas lights. Because all the Christmas lights,
They're so pretty.
they're coming on, they're lighting
very
up.
pretty.
So I'm going to end the vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me on my birthday, on my big day. Thank you guys for taking me to Disney World.
How old are you now?
I am 28. I'm old. I'm 20 old.
He never remembers.
I'm 20 old. Anything after 30 is whatever, but I've got some time.
You have 2 years. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
So enjoy the end of this video. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you made it all the way to this video and this time in the video, thank you guys for supporting us. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe for my birthday. And that's it. And we'll see you on the next adventure.